na bie nyina nso na bon gbazende eri yiwu fijmezim oman konkon Ghana mu mbe nyine huma ye nyina yenka o wonche abatum okon na besebese ye biara usande oman Ghana ya meman oman Ghana ya woman oman Ghana ye nyina henman jumezi akafa bai funin panyinfu binye nana ekua elima Queen Mothers Association President onye nana amenfiwa Queen Mothers Association Vice President. Homembra ma yenyina ye nanto ma asomje. Ye nanto makroye na ye nanto wa omanga na numpunto ho. Bye bye.
Right, as I am at Sinasi, Major Sonimakiwa, and Misaka, I am Mamma me. Anybody more if you are in a Kua appeared to the second TUFUHENMAA or Abura State, the Abura State and the Aseibu traditional area, and you to me a Kahansan. You know, you there Ghana fee a better waffy. Zabiar Pie, Sike Biar Pie, Bibi Biar Pie, Asmoji. Asmoji can be Biar Pie. There, but wasn't if you are Asmoji, a 2 minute if you will be Rubiara. Nti Heresaka aye TUFUHENMAA wo oye fia nana ekua aya appear to the second in what you come ya hwe the medwumediara abagwa senti pakura wo the medwumedi na pira kaka nana mo ache wo ma hino na mo ja po me
ko bidase
me watch it and Heresaka constant TV na fi go to na yo hwe nkomo it is a bushafia so mo Nana, sentiment now,
to be honest with you, say I share history around Yanka, Africa, for instance. And during election time, sometimes na yenya problems, sometimes a problem no better my escalate. Now I done into coups and now wars and now be with them. Or even minor incidences of deaths nowadays. Now, the man, not to be honest with you, yeah, per the man in Ghana. Because to be honest, say I share the whole world that Ghana, as some Jew, will have compared to many countries. That's the way we want it to remain. And as mothers, you better you can't be young family members, communities, Ghana on the whole, there. This election, you better assume go vote and go home. Nani. That's all we are asking.
That's all we are asking. That's what our Kumada is telling us. Now, my share that theme of the museum.
The theme. Yeah. Oh, to be honest with you, we stand for peace. Yeah. That is all we are saying. We stand for peace. Abura, Aseibu, Kwaman, Kese. I'm in Abura State. I am really standing on this, we stand for peace, so that it will be something that will be in each and every person's heart the morning that they wake up to go and vote. Peace, Asumje, that is all we're asking for.
No, that's a peace, Asumje. Let's peace reign before, during, and after election.
That's right.
The theme for the program or Abura State. Now, my answer is I've been to Abura State and putting, what did you mean? A handful, Doctor Okatichi and Menfi, to measure termination, and then I'm buying my focus on tomorrow.
Oh, yes, Aseibu Aseibu Traditional Council, Abura State Traditional Council, and Kwaman Kese Traditional Council. Obia one of mine, that they are all behind us 100%. And I also am president and vice president of Kwaman Kese, and vice and Sophie Aseibu. Now we are behind this 101%, and we have all the support from our minds.
Yeah, I mean, I can't say me, my meeting kaka. That's Abura Aseibu, Kwaman Kese. Obia one of mine.
Yes, yes. And you have three traditional councils. Today, you were Osaberima. The paramount chief of Ogwa. Eba AAK, the district, you were Aseibu, you were paramount chief or as Abura State, you will be, and Kwaman Kese, you will be. That was it.
I see. Yeah. Now, I may when I was there, Kwaman Kese or some date, Abura State or some date, Aseibu or some date. Why now you want to
District Nankas Esun Papa, especially my state, Abura State, is one of the biggest areas in Central Region. It is a country now or one day on the Mbuaye. We are going to start from the top, which is Kwaman Kese in our district. We'll start from Kwaman Kese. From there, you rest the following day, the next date, first one by 27th November. Then by 29th November, now you have Abura State. That is another section of the district. From there, on the 3rd of December, now you have Aseibu. So we are getting closer and closer to Kekos, So by the time you be at Aseibu, hopefully we have got the message through in that district.
No, it needs a lot of resources. When we talk about resources, we talk about human resources, we talk about monetary, we talk about security. And how can you get all these things?
Okay, this was something that we decided to do. Therefore, we went ahead. Here, the police commander Akasa, here the various people, stakeholders, Edubia Akasa. We have managed to put some monies together to get ourselves afloat, the sound system, the DJs, those who come with their trumpets, you name it. It's the banner day. We've tried to put everything together. So we are very, very serious. And then on top of that, we've been able to even print t-shirts. And we have gone round. Now you have Bisa in one or two places. So we've put everything together into this project now. Look, with or without, you decided for the sake of peace. So we have contributed most of it ourselves as Queen Mothers.
No, you contribute to most of it as Queen Mothers.
Yes.
Yes, sure. Parties who are working in Naima. The mushroom be Nantu or Baba Nantu. Are they involved or they are out of contest?
Who's that?
The parties. You have NPP, you have NDC, PPP, CPP, and things.
To be honest with you, when it comes to parties, Nankasa, as traditional rulers, we don't get into politics. And here you start, right? It's not even allowed. There's nothing about MPP, NDC, you name it, Cheddar, you name it, Debbie. We are thinking about the people. Bottom line is that, our prayer, our biggest prayer is that, may the best man or woman win. That is all we're thinking about for Ghana. But for the individuals in the communities, we're also thinking about almost safety. Safety first. This peace work is all about peace. We stand for peace. When it comes to political parties, we don't have any particular person we are supporting. We are interested in the communities.
Nana said we are interested in your communities. And your mom was in a fiend to now, you're selling so dumb. You share the message and the advert of the Nanto, Bananto, Nephew to me, share it. Then to me, can about the money between you two. When we come back, we'll talk about many things left over. And the young Conan could tell you, Nanto, no, I do, but we do know chassis. Nephew into me and son.
Abura abato mu abeni butaya ode jumezi tide asomje wa ba ya bato
Ina ya saseni aya pode din maye bojana na no shegu nyare to homaye ejumene
ana aya kwado de bananto ama asomje Abura Aseibu Kwaman Kese Ahimaku Mitra AAK Queen Mothers Association Etuna Ebase Suha Wazere Nanto na wabo asumdi wudewu Wambra yawa abato afini Mitra Peace Walk for 2024 elections Onam ENT Yetu nsefre obi biara wo echichu na benchi. Akase na nkuma nyina de. Omaka yen ho na yembo asomdwe hu dawu. Wabra abato mer abeni. Butaya odejumezi tide. Asomdwe wabra yabato aba. Abato abrum na impo abato echi. Seshaya mpanyimfuze egu akon bodam jumezi nye de. Kukuda obefa busumi ayewomi da otodu edenu eswan mechire 27th November 2024. Yezi peace walk ne bashishadu wa Kwaman Kese wabra wa bonon ebien pepepe. Fida obefa busumi ayewomi ne da otodu edenu akono mechire 29th November 2024. Yabatre jumezi ne do Abura State wabra wa bonon ebien pain. Peace Walker Ochotone Bokodu Mumubusom Da Otodu Ebasa Matrixed December 2024. Wabra Wabonon Ebien Pepe wa Aseibu.
Big time confusion. We can't stand aloof and watch our opponents win. No, we have to win at all costs. And when we come to power,
after the election, what else? No way. Your wife and your daughter are traveling out of the country tomorrow. Your daughter is in the medical school. Your sons are here and there. And you think we are fools? What do you take us for? Why are they not here with us? No way, guys.
Never.
Not this time. We won't allow you use us for your selfish interest again.
Yes. No way. We won't allow you. No way. Guys, see, let us say no to electoral and politically related violence. We should refuse to be used for this crime and save the nation, because the nation needs us and our family needs us.
Sha emru na bie nyina nso na bon gbazende eri yiwu fijmezim. Oman konkon Ghana mumbe nyine. Huma ya nyina yanka owo ntwe abatumu okon na besebese ye biara. Usande oman Ghana ya meman, oman Ghana ya woman, oman Ghana ye nyina yanman. Jumezi akafa bai funim panyinfu binye Nana Ekua Enima AK Queen Mothers Association President. Onye Nana Amenfiwa AK Queen Mothers Association Vice President. Homembra maya nyina yananso ma asomdwe. Yananto makoye na yananto wa omangana numpunto ho. Bye bye.
Inaya sasini aya bought in my but na no shegu nyare to homaye ejumene
Ana aya proud de bananto ama asomdwe. Abra Aseibu Kwaman Kese ahimaku metra
There as I get about some year and I go to me yet to me up in your corner in my chunkumari after that. Am I quite no, they are out to cry, but in case they arrive at the premises.
Oh, if they arrive at the premises, only you're welcome, that's not a problem. Because as before war program, about the different traditional areas of the Akasa, the communities in Akasa. So we know them from TV, we know them from radio, and we know them personally. If we want to hear Yankofona, that one we don't have any problem. So whoever comes and wants to give a peace message, only the Obetma, just a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, come and talk about us. So everyone is welcome, to be honest.
Now we are talking about security. In terms of guests and processes, they are all part in terms of when we are moving, do activities and things. In case somebody refuses to obey the instructions, if you're urban, or can we withdraw the person from out of the place?
That is why we have the police commander, on our side on this one. He has promised us to take care of everything. So we don't start any problems. The commander and the security, they'll all be there with us. It will be out me, and don't try it, because to be honest with you, say, but here, baby, that will disrupt young peace work, I'm sure you'll be arrested. We're talking about Asumdwe Nkote.
Yeah, Asumdwe Nkote. Yeah, T-shirt, there's a message.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Maybe we should buy it, it's free, or in case of matter, but it doesn't match the peace work we are moving. Can the person be sacked or can the person change?
To be honest with the young queen mothers, you wear young t-shirt, and the t-shirt also it has our logo. In the end, we are okay. But so be bad, no, the party t-shirt. You have to make catch out the coffee because they are what they are doing. But by the time you listen to what we are saying, you yourself you change your mind. It's that one we're not putting restrictions on anybody. You better be out there. The queen mothers are for peace. Until when you come there with your t-shirt, no problem. Obia was favorite, but queen mother or share any political party t-shirt. On is out. You ever share the queen mothers t-shirt with our logo, with what we stand for. Nani, no problems there at all. Just come, have fun with us, have fun all the way in the 3 different traditional areas on the 3 different dates, and that's it. We all go for election, then go home.
We are talking about Queen Mother's Hall. The Queen Mothers are coming. In terms of more feeling from my camera about what has been Queen Mothers and good. If I'm not Queen Mother, I'm not invited.
No. The men are allowed to go. No. We have told them that but we've advertised it all over in the 3 traditional areas. Honestly, there's no problem. But the thing is that the queen mothers, we are mothers. We make or break. When I say we make or break, in our own homes. So something has taken place all over the place. Our children will follow suit. But if we try to keep calm, you see that the children or the youth in the house will also keep calm. So we are the mothers who direct things. Hopefully, we are the ones who direct things. Internet, we say queen mothers. But yes, definitely.
Kwaman Kese, November 27th.
Yes.
2 p.m.
Yes.
Now I go to my Kwaman Kese, be a shasi, be a be. I go to your trying your kind.
Pacho say to Kwaman Kese, Pacho Kwainfie straight, Kwainfie. Edu and Fia, they will direct you where we'll start. Obia, the traditional area will start at a different place. But mainly, Yanni and I, we're trying to see if we can gather at Ainfie. Now you start and walk from that to wherever it is that they want us. Kwaman Kese, they know where we're going to go. We'll follow them. Abura status, Ebami status, we'll tell you where we're going and I'll follow. But head straight for Ainfie in any one of those traditional councils on the day that you arrive.
On the day that you arrive, the last one is the 3rd December. Nana, it's not too close to the general election summit. Within 4 days, in ever whatever.
Okay, Mama, baby. Sometimes people say that a bit more short memories. Until you better work not too early, so that by the time I do election time and I'm voting, now ABI will be near every day. I can be. So we have tried our best to bring it as close as possible to the week of election, so that I bet everything that Nananoma can concerning the peace work. So that was our target, especially the 3rd December. Only a very round up Aseibu. Like I said, Kwaman Kese will all be there from the other traditional. Obiabe support. Yeko Abura State, Kwaman Kese and Aseibu will also come and support. Into Yedu Aseibu, Kwaman Kese and Abura will also support Aseibu. Into don't pee baba. So I think the closer the better. So that Obiabe, what do I use? Will remember that day.
Obiara K was the Emperor Benedini Fiazi. So Bill Biara K, Gillen Benoya Apatuna, and it's not that I can tell you. The mom welcome to police for her, Bibia, Pabutu, and Abura, want to work. Then you want you some there. A traditional area, there were Kwaman Kese, you were Aseibu, now you were Abura State. You should don't be a more than 100, buy him 100 in a new sir. I would be so Kwaman Kese area into some modern Abura State, and then Aseibu State, and then any Papa Granny behind between.
Oh, I bet my join any traditional council that you prefer. Ebi a obitina Kwaman Kese, but ebi a nejima wa Aseibu. Either way, I bet my support. Ebi musu Accra, they will want to come over. Ebi that week, ebi must say they will come and spend the whole week or so in Central Region. On those days, not much on here. Then we all go for this peace walk. We are not limiting anybody. So, but I call all three. You are more than welcome.
Now, if you come on, I imagine for war or Kwaman Kese Abura State in Aseibu. So, you come in a man.
Okay, to be honest with Kwaman Kese, I can't tell you the numbers, Sankasa. But were quite a few queen mothers. Aseibu so were quite a few queen mothers. Abura State Nkutena queen mothers endorse P. Although the state is, I'll say the state is even bigger, but endorse P. But over a period of time, because there was a time now Abura State and cry, but over the years now it has changed. And it is up to the chief Ankasa. No, amen. Some decided on She Queen Mother, fine. But some decided that they don't need a Queen Mother then, because I had something in Abura State, the paramount Queen Mother Crampo Yenche, paramount Queen Mother Abura State. Some of the chiefs, and so I followed that same pattern. They almost so much, but things are changing now. But not as much as Kwaman Kese and Aseibu.
But I share your war or your so young do. Now, so would you be in Ghana, have banner at sea, political catching, political catching, that's from day to me, President your catching, it to our share, but it to go on you. About some that can further means I mean, why you crash in a kind of been wild now, you know, almost when you into it.
But I may come there. My young Ghana, as some baby like Bonibia, young Ghana first. Because they what has happened in other countries, especially in Africa. Say echo Google and TV and Bibidam, the kind of things that have come out of people causing problems during election are Ghana, when you think about some of us, called different countries, and to be honest with you, Ghana is very, very, very peaceful. Intimacy, just take it out. We don't want to even see it. And now, young police and so, so don't give them extra work. There, share what you are doing or the problem you are causing. No. There's more for them to do. There's also the directing of traffic. Now, all these things are important. The day of election, they want to make sure that Obia is safe into place. My idea would be that to be so unnecessary. Because at the end of the day, we always say that may the best man or woman win for Ghana. The best we can do is, let's pray. You go and buy there, the best person who will come for Ghana. That's all we need.
And I say, so you have a papa in there, so I will tune no ways in Ghana. I should be a 2 nights and I'm putting a year to here. I'm here to me a papa name. But the division is one Ghana, one people, one nation. It's a young mama's and a fee into young boy. Then I share I damn about a to me year to year. You shall see 1992. That were back, maybe a member, you do a business in Pepsi. But, Mbahima for I entire, you didn't remember about entire until we come home. we are right behind and your point yes we give us we into maintain if you are not go to the man money now if you so too much another few routine the pere into me to the man.
To be honest with you, in the past, many years ago, my country Queen Mothers not yet forward as much as today. New masses, you understand? Look at the phones that we're using. Look at the TV sets that we're using. Look at the fashion world. It is also time for women to also step up and come forward. International Queen Mothers. Even election, yes, it can be concerning Aseibu. First, it was just the people at the top who would talk about peace. It was never done at the grassroots. But I say, we want to bring it to the grassroots because various towns and villages, and we can send this message across to all our communities. There are some So if the Queen Mothers are coming forward, so it will happen like that. And there be more planning there, they want to do it, but for one reason or another, they were not able to get themselves together. But thank God that this year, AAK has been able to put everything together. Peace. Violence. During, after, and whatever. That shows the Ghana, you to about Asumjin, you want another is to suit that. I should be able to get him like in. Okay, on average, to be honest with you, on average, it is those very, very small areas of people that out but they prove a point. They only do your MDC and now know your MPP and I'll be with them. Yeah, we just want the whole Asumjin. We want it to be 100%, not 95, not 90, 100%. Because today, even one person, when you're injured or hospital, and now one person, because of this election, we want it to be 100% peaceful, so that other countries will also learn from what we do on the grounds during election. Because after election, we are still in Ghana, we don't go where we are. Unless it is still our country, and we need to keep our country in this precious state that it is in at the moment. We cannot afford violence. We cannot afford the state, the country to be turned upside down, where war or because of election. No, it will disturb our country. Asumjin is the word that is on all our lips at the moment. It is our plans, we are there, about disrupt the culture. They can't, don't even try it for the sake of Ghana.
Young Mama Zalefi, I carry a shasukra, the man in North America, man shasukra. Yes, should I producer and then Sabaka or election violence in Bidum Nephi to me, the Mitamin now, day to me. Ye na nefi ebo maze nefi tumna yehwe sensa ka wa election violence bi ankankan wo oyankre na ya wo so no kwado no election violence ahorowa otumna okodo no yerehwe de sensa ba ka ye footage bi tumna ya because the means am ya tumna ye wada gina ha engina trying ma ala nintu na etimna aka mutumna azerba nti ya hwe sensa ba ka produce one family and I hope I free to Yaka. The documentary in Mahim for you to me. Yes, I said I maybe November 2017. Schools were are they involved what to start from school for being no Baba come to Mojuman. And I got a 50 month to me or a regional minister. Is she aware about that? Or you are aware what the museum to me about this?
Yes, you contact all the stakeholders involved. And every traditional council, so all my announcements in their various areas, they are peaceful, so they should join. International time, I 2 p.m. Until by the time the children come out of school, so I'm join. Now we will go all the way to maybe around 7 o'clock. Now we are because if you're in Kwaman, Kese, for instance, and I take it's a long way until by 7 o'clock. Now we are here. So everybody is invited. Obia betuma baby, from market women to the children, secondary schools, Obia betuma baby, so that they get the message loud and clear. When we go on the float now, you better suck, you better nanto, you better jump, you better all kinds of things as Queen Mothers to let you know that on this day we are all looking for just one thing for Ghana as a nation, and that is peace amongst all of us. Come and have fun. That's what it's all about.
Nana, is that so? I bought be in craft having big getting semi to actually be and then. Yet 9 to 9 was you could have 9 to Visa. We should have a message on the placard which will show the description.
Now we have all the different flags with the different messages. We'll be holding these flags in all the different traditional areas. In Aseibu, you will read the message, you will understand the message, you digest the message. There are some Queen Mothers, we stand for peace, and that is what is going to be the major message on that day. In different forms though, but the message will be there on the flags. Until we are out and come and see and enjoy the day with us.
So we are Abura the Aseibu ever Martin Fituna is Hujmani to Hanama and Motumna Tuna Aquin into Yasha. Young can say, oh yeah, Aseibu, the summer.
Mothers Association. Etuna Ebase Suha. Was there an answer no wabo Aseibu Mudewu? Wambra Yawa Abato Afini. Mature peace work for 2024 elections. On an ENT, yet to suffer Obibiara wo echichu na benchi. Akase na nkuma nyina de. Omaka yen ho mayambo Aseibu Mudewu. Wambra Abato Mir Abeni. Butaya odejumezi today. Asomje wabra yabato aba. Abato abrum the impo abatu echi. Seshaya mpanyinfuze egu akonbo dem jumezi nye de. Ukuda obefa busumi ayewomi da otodu edenu esan mechiwe 27th November 2024. Yezi peace work ne ba sheshadu wa Kwaman Kese wabra wa bonon edien pepepe. Fida obefa busumi ayewomi ne da otodu edenu akono mechiwe 29th November 2024. Yabatu jumezi ne do Abura State wabra wa bonon edien pain. Peace worker Ochotone Bokodu Omumubusom da Otodu Ebasa matriculated December 2024. Wabra wa bonon ebien pepe wo Aseibu.
Big time confusion. We can't stand aloof and watch our opponents win. No, we have to win at all costs. And when we come to power,
After the election, what else? No way. Your wife and your daughter are traveling out of the country tomorrow. Your daughter is in the medical school. Your sons are here and there. And you think we are fools? What do you take us for? Why are they not here with us? No way, guys.
Never.
Not this time. We won't allow you use this for your selfish interest again.
Yes.
No way.
No way. Guys, see, let us say no to electoral and politically related violence. We should refuse to be used for this crime and save the nation, because the nation needs us and our family needs us.
Right, yes, I am our crowd being. Yeah, Papa share a year or so West Rogo. Deba, the narrative, Asumje, lay to me. In Sianco here, I was with our Tumoso, Nina, I pray Asumje or Mazanefi, Etumna Abua, Etumne Fubi, be a to me. Sunday, Sir Abura State.
On every score, but no matter how long it takes, this is so wrong. You killed a man in his own house. In his own house. We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys. In his own house. Be careful. You killed a man in his own house. That's fine. I should what?
Now I be saying with the man as a Kese the men about to pay funeral wash and bra. And where also what the baby are. What the baby are, what to know the men and the what to know. Then never come for the business.
Personally, sometimes not more than, videos now they're coming from other areas. I don't feel comfortable with it because you're painful.
Yeah. So
if we are doing these kind of things, as a crowd and youth, what are we teaching them? At the end of the day, we have to be exercise patience, kakra, so that this day will come and pass. Election next year, whether you like it or not, it will happen, and we'll be in it for the next 4 years or the next 8 years. Depending, it's something that we should be used to. It is a better take very, very personal, because you want something to go your way now. Think about Ghana in general, not about yourself, not about, excuse me to say, your pocket, and now what you think you are going to gain from it. Let's think about Ghana as a whole. In the end, painful, let's set the example, which is why the Queen Mothers are coming out to represent the women in Ghana. And these men, behaving like this in this video, we need to exercise a lot more patience than this. Keep your personal issues and to yourself. And by out now, broadcast your peace of mind now. Not at this time. And cry. I think everybody should just settle down and let's just go through the motion.
Everybody to settle down. What be I to say? No, yes, sure. Paying funeral wash and bra. Why am I saying funeral? They be our kind of last one, be asked me just one day. Now, so I will catch it and we'll find you. What?
Yeah, any power. And there are certain things they can't. Mommy can't as a mother, even our children, you will find they be a 1 or 2 years very stubborn. They will fear. So when they come out into the world, they will there. Still, you will be that are very, very stubborn out there. Sometimes they use the most radical people, the most influential people on a negative note to try and push the agenda nowadays. So if you look at one of the videos that we put on our advert, if there's any violence, but you and I are here. We are not going anywhere. Why support people like that to go and cause some kind of violence and now be down whilst their families have left the country? Now, think about it. Think about the safety of your home, think about the safety of your community, and think about the safety of Ghana. That's all we're asking for.
The man that you should share them and now to know can. I'm buying some sabi. You to I hope I show to move those who are. I'm not going to watch like one day into me for the Mukwan into me in the massive. Now, what good day is a sharp way? Good to me, I actually wait for them.
So you can't. That's a very, very difficult question, to be honest with you, because Abia will be on why you doing right now, but on the day no, maybe for some reason, Obia can't be into the person who want to retaliate just out of the blue. On a general note, that each and every person should think about what the consequence of their behavior. There's nothing as easy as going to cast your vote, coming back home, shutting your door, and waiting for this whole thing to be over. Now, that's all we are asking for. But to go out and demonstrate and show your powers nowadays, brothers and sisters, remember that the police are out there and they are also looking for peace. If you step out of line, and that's your own problem. Yama warning, Yama warnings all over the country there. So please, just vote and go home. That's all.
No, yes, I am for P, no trauma support. A trauma support to party A, trauma support to party B, party C. I am for those of Oyama. What this year? I don't too much.
Okay, circumstances may lead the traditional rulers and Kasa almost all they are also human beings, and they also have their emotions. Queen mothers, and so we also have our emotions. Sometimes you can forget there, and yeah, I didn't like direct, but unfortunately now I can't. No, be able there. This is the person you are supporting. I'm pleading with all Nananum there. Young withdraw kakra. Young withdraw from stating our preferences to the public, because almost young communities. Because say BBC says here, it will fall on the Queen mothers as mothers of our communities. Either we are going to nurse or be because or somebody is injured, and we have to go and visit all these people. Intimate let's withdraw from being so active and making it so people are aware that I am for party A or for party B. Let's cut that one out, Mr. Repa, just for the sake of peace. Keep your political party preferences to yourself. With us.
Yo, I'm very sorry, but my home will if you may say to me easy you do. Answer what for years able to my banner. If you back Mukro, my friend, like Costa TV high to me way. I buy him or her, and I know her. I bring to more to more bad, God tells our quan school that me now to me. And so, the baby a be back, not Bob Bois, me to me try and work him. And you can we get it on. It will be a something.
Oh, to be honest with you, for instance, Yenho and Crawford P. Yaba to help us, especially this last minute. It has been like that for about 3-4 years. At the last minute, you see, we also take advantage to get those areas covered. Today, obviously, or the Great Dariba. Yes, we will not say no. Tomorrow, a different party will come. You better toilet. Yes, you better because at the end of the day, we are not intimate there because MPP Abba. You won't take it because you're NDC. No, it's about the community. Because like I said, sometimes short memories. After the election, you don't want to be. It is about this time to do it. Let's take advantage. Let them do what they need to do. When we finish, we know who we're going to vote for. We will go in peace. We will go in silence, vote, and then come back home. At the end of the day, I will catch you there, my vote, I will give you your support. The next person will come, I will give you your support. But on the day, it's between you and your God.
Then I said, I don't know where I'm going. I can be a Kishamu. Baby, about 12 for more, about 12 for true, about 12 for him for Wabaka. It's about 12 and a day. The day will come. It may occur. And young Shafu I had 2-3 states. You go a Kayan to Mizzi, Hinasing Hinasum, Jasum, into Kwaman, Kese, Abura State, and Aseibu. Of 20 years, I mean.
Okay, Charles, if you Kwaman, Kese, Abura State, and Aseibu, just because of the peace walk, a bear with the power, so that we come in our numbers. And I'll be also think about the peace walk. There's a purpose behind the peace walk. Cause problems now. Even from the peace walk, apart from the voting day, or the days towards the voting day, peace walk we want a lot of peace. It will be a baby. No matter if you have something to say to the community, that's a baby in a bra. Now the microphone. Now I can be big a crowd, actually community. You want to say something? Aseibu, Abura State. Now I can a few minutes. Say any politician crowd, can't be big a crowd. You can also come and talk to the communities. But contract to convince will be there onto about for our MPP and our NDC. No, when you come for the talk, just come and talk about peace for the day. That's all we're asking for. But gentlemen, can't because you are from party A or party B, and to hear my microphone, no. Even the independent candidates, who bet my baby and come and talk about peace. That's all that we want on that day. Thank you.
Right, and another that also say, no use any guy be say, in a soccer, I am a naked queer, I pay TUFUHENMAA or Abura State, Central Region, and then I to me to show a young common, you could assume when you could say, no, to be better as Papa, on ye, I am now in Fuhina and Martin of Fuhina, or 3 states, or your Kwaman, Kese, Aseibu, Abura State, and Aseibu. There, your mom was an end to name town. Yanusa, Yema support and to they need more support. So I say, yes, man, yes, man, if you bet you are someone until you made the Pimbra, Film man to pay for tomorrow, or more support, or yeah, Sikari in his guy you support what was an answer to the bottom of the answer, and when any happens over into a couple support with them on to no only pay. Bob one can and ask with you there, and you never to me. Into young words now, you call Kwaman Kese State. Ya corner akashasi no na bie ne mezibu to ma shasi Abura State November 29th and also over shasi na the last one Aseibu no so December 3rd and it a pin aye about no papa aka aye neighbors and then yi oya den fi manager aka neighbors na ye kwa koto oya ba jama mo se na fie to ni na enkonko boa. Making my point, Madam was Papa, Professor Kwaman, Prof, producer, Minister of Papa, the Master Richard, the Badas of Papa, Msia Room, Abba Mazemi, cameraman Adi, the Minister of Papa, Banis, the Minister, and as I chief driver, the Gabo in my Papa, no see good to me, Badas. We are also or shaking, so a coupon in China, Casagasa, a better Aya. Abura, Aseibu, Kwaman, Kese, Nina, Pevina, Bedamonasi, Nina, no tomorrow, wash. I mean, I never feel better here. My hand and one shake when it's a medicine on your mind. Mrs. Omar being after.
Ana aya proud de benanto amasomje Abura Aseibu Kwaman Kese ahimaku metro AK Queen Mothers Association etuna ebase suha wazere nanto na wabo asomje mudewu wambra yawa abato afini metro peace walk for 2024 elections onam iyinti yetun sefe obi biara wo echichu na benchi akase na nkuma nyina de omaka yen ho mayambo asomje mudewu wabra abato mir abeni butaya odejumezi tide asomje wabra yabato aba abato abrum the impo abato echi sechaya mpanyimfuze egu akonbo dem jumezi nye de kukuda obefa busumya yewomi da otodu edenu eswan mechiwe 27th November 2024 yezi peace walk ne bashashadu wa Kwaman Kese wabra wa bonnon egen pepepe Fida obefa busumya yewomi ne da otodu edenu akono mechiwe 29th November 2024 yabatra jumezi ne do Abura State wabra wa bonnon egen pain Peace Walker, Ochotone Bokodu, Mumubusum, Da Otodu Ebasa, Matrate, December 2024. Wabra Wabonon, Ebien Pepe, or Aseibu.
Big time confusion. We can't stand aloof and watch our opponents win. No, we have to win at all costs. And when we come to power,
After the election, what else? No way. Your wife and your daughter are traveling out of the country tomorrow. Your daughter is in the medical school. Your sons are here and there. And you think we are fools? What do you take us for? Why are they not here with us? No way, guys.
Never.
Not this time. We won't allow you use this for your selfish interest again.
Yes. No way. No way.
Guys, see, let us say no to electoral and politically related violence. We should refuse to be used for this crime
And save the nation, because the nation needs us.
and our family needs us.
Sha emro na bia nyina nso na bon gbazin da eri yun fij mezim oman konkon ga na mun benyine homa ya nyina yanka o wonche abatum okon na besebese ye biara usande oman ga na ya meman oman ga na ya woman oman ga na ye nyina henman jumezi akafa bai funin panyinfu dunye na ekua elima Queen Mothers Association President onye nana amenfiwa Queen Mothers Association Vice President. Homembra ma yanyina ya nanto ma asomje. Ya nanto ma kroye na ya nanto wa omanga na numpunto ho. Bye bye.